In this video you will see how you can create picture-in-picture videos. With picture-in-picture effect, you can easily overlap two or multiple videos. So without further ado, let's quickly look at how we can do this.
Before we go ahead, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any video we publish in future. You can appreciate our work by hitting the like button. It definitely motivates us a lot.
Log into clipchamp.com or open Clipchamp app on your computer. Click Create New Video button, and then you'll be taken straight into the editor. For demo, we will use only 2 videos, but you can overlap multiple videos using the same method. The first step is to import your video clips into the media library. For that, click on the Import Media button, and then select the assets or videos you want to create picture-in-picture video with. Click Open and it'll load your assets into your media library over here. Now bring your videos into the timeline by simply dragging and dropping each asset and place them one above the other. Please remember, the video you want to see on top, in small size, needs to be placed on top of the other background video in the timeline. Now, to make your video an overlay, click on the top asset in your timeline. It will be highlighted in green color borders so that, you know, it's selected. Then move the cursor up to the floating toolbar and then select the Picture-in-Picture button. You are given 4 options to select from to choose where you'd like your video overlay to appear on the screen. Either the top left, top right, bottom left or bottom right. Clipchamp doesn't restrict you to these 4 options only. You are free to move this overlay video somewhere else on the screen. For that, go ahead and use the freehand tool to move the asset anywhere on the background video, just like this. Now, by dragging the corners, you can change the size of the overlay asset. Go ahead and change the size until you're completely happy with it. If you click on Play button, you'll see both the videos play together. Like any other video clip in your timeline, you can add filters to your overlay. To change the video's aesthetic, just click on the asset in the timeline, then click on Filters. Clipchamp gives you multiple filter options. Go ahead and see the preview of each by hovering over it. Click on the filter you want to apply to the overlay, and use the slider control to adjust the intensity of the filter. If you are not happy with the look of this overlay, hit the Reset button, and it will go back to its original state. Once you are done editing and are completely happy with your video, you can export it. Give a name to your video and then click the Export button. Select the video quality you need. Once the export is complete, the video will be saved on your computer automatically. And that's how you create a picture-in-picture video easily.